What is up, Math Made Easy fans? We have a banger for you today, coming straight to you from the Math Made Easy studios. This is the third video I have done using my new whiteboard. Super epic, I know. And this is a video I've been wanting to do for a really long time. Can't wait that it finally happened. The problem that it actually came from, I couldn't distribute this until last Wednesday, I think it was. So finally able to put this out here. And we have third side of a triangle. And you might be like, oh, I know how to do this from the law of cosines. You know, you get the angle and you get the sides, but this is different. You got first side, you got second side, but then you got the area. Whew, that is where it gets to be a different formula. And this formula has a very complicated proof. I'll link the proof in the description, and I will link the problem in the description. Area K equals this. Side A is this, and side B is that. Side C is what we got to find. So let's get straight into this formula. So C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Okay? Epic, I know. Everybody likes where this is going. And then we have plus or minus A squared, B squared, and then we have minus 4K squared. And in fact, you might be thinking like, hey man, this is looking awful Pythagorean theorem-like. And in fact, if this equals 0, that means this would be a right triangle. And this is just a Pythagorean theorem, right? That's kind of some profound math. But this is the whole formula. Get this value, so now let's plug some stuff in. So, we have A squared, 144, plus 225, plus or minus 144 times 225, minus K we know is this, so squaring K would give us 6,500. So minus 4 times 6,500, so 2,600. Actually, no, 26,000. And then this is all under a square root. Okay? So we have, let's progress, 369. And then we have plus or minus 32400. 32400 minus 26000, is this going to be 6400? Okay? And this is actually, look how well this works out. This is why I picked these variables and why this problem picked these variables. And now I can't even write the problem. And we have plus or minus 80. And remember, this is C squared. So in fact, if we want to get C, we have to take the root of this, and I forgot actually. Okay, this is a big oof, but there is a 2 in here. There is a 2 in here. Make sure to not forget this 2. 2 times 80. So C is in fact, I'm sorry, going to be either root of 209, because remember this is just 160. C is either root 209 or root 529, which just equals 23. Sorry about forgetting that too, but you still get the point. Write this down in your notes. And in fact, you might be like, well, which one is it? Well, it's both. Remember, this has two solutions, because if you think about it, if you go like way like this, you know, it's going to have a very small area. As you get closer to like, you know, let's say maybe this is this triangle we're talking about, has a certain area. This triangle, this is even more upright, kind of is going to have a large area. And, you know, then when we get back down, as this side keeps shrinking, we get something like this. It's going to have a very small area again. So it kind of a map. So you can kind of like think about the curve of this third side C as we change. Well, we can think of the curve of like the area as we change this third side C, or vice versa. You could think, and that would be a very interesting thing to look at. But for now, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed. Math Made Easy fans, make sure to check out Math Monday tomorrow. Is going to be super epic. But for now, my name is Math Made Easy. Peace out.